Okay, so today we're talking about substitution, and substitution is a function where you substitute one equation into the other equation. And right here, we're going to be proving that by substituting this equation right here, y equals, or 2x plus 4 equals y. We're going to be substituting this equation into this one up here. The equation right here in blue is this equation right here, except now that we have substituted into this equation above here. Now, we combine like terms with 3x and 2x, which gives us 5x plus 4 equals 9. After that, we subtract 4 from both sides, which gives us 5x by itself equal to 5. We then divide 5 from the x, which gives us x equals 1. Now that we have found our answer for x, we must plug this one back all the way up to our original equation, y plus 3x equals 9. So we have y plus 3 times 1, put that in blue so that we know what we substituted, is equal to 9. So, oops, let me put this in black. So we know that 3 times 1 is just 3 by itself. So we have y plus 3 equals 9. Finish off by subtracting 3 from both sides, so that leaves us with y by itself and equal to 6. So our answer for this equation is x, which is equal 1, and y equals 6.